Greetings! Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I'm JAHVAY GAYLE. For more information about me, check the description box below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, it's 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
The good news about Jesus, as according to Matthew chapter 22 from verse 23 to verse 33. That same day, some Sadducee people come at Jesus. Them set of people, they say, when you're dead, you can't come back alive. Them come ask Jesus, say, Teacher, Moses say, if one man dead and nae get no picnic, him brother fi marry him wife and have picnic with her, fi him dead brother. Now 7 brother did amongst we. The first one married one woman and dead. And cause him and him wife nae have no picnic, him brother married her. The said thing happened to the second brother, the third one, and all of them down to brother number 7. Then the woman dead too. When a time for them come back alive with all of the other dead people them, and who for wife she gonna be? Cause the whole 7 of them did marry her. So Jesus said to them, say, Uno say, dead people now come back alive. Boy, uno wrong. Cause uno no know what God would say, and uno no know God powers. Cause when dead people come back, them not gonna get married. Cause them time them coming like angel where they are heaven. Now, when them time when dead people come back alive, uno never read what God would say. Him say, me a Abraham God, Isaac God, and Jacob God. Him a no God for dead people, but him a God for who a live. When the people them hear the one here, them frightened to how him teach. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.